gosh! It's not the same plane. You got a new plane, didn't you?
So earlier this year, we were invited by the Arkansas Department of Aeronautics to come down, take a look at their 1991 A36 Beechcraft Bonanza.
Well, after going through the state procurement process, we were able to work with Afterglow to get our 91 Bonanza refurbished. It was the original paint and interior, and it was in desperate need of, let's just say it needed some work.
You open up the doors and you see that interior from 1991, the blue carpet. It actually had blue upholstery with big buttons.
I went to Fayetteville, sat down with Josh and the team up there, spent some time with them, and they were incredibly helpful. I knew the colors I wanted, but they helped me work through a paint scheme. They helped me select materials for the interior that they thought would look good based on their experience. And then they even offered some possible alternatives to things that I hadn't even thought of before that turned out fantastic.
As our team was working on the carpets and the side panels and the headliner and the window liners, we partnered with Rose Aircraft Services. They have a phenomenal interior shop that we send our seats down to. They make beautiful seats. They've got an incredibly skilled crew, and they just work miracles there in their seat shop. So as we were working on that, they were working on the seats, brought everything back together to really just make an interior that popped. So once we were all wrapped up, Jerry came over, and he was the first one to see the aircraft on the customer end of things, and he was just absolutely just blown away.
Absolutely beautiful. Caught you on camera saying that, so we have proof.
To have him open up the door and see that grin on his face is just really satisfying for us.
All ready? Come on. Come on.
And he did a big reveal and let everyone come out and see it all at once.
Oh my gosh! That looks so good!
They looked at it and thought it was a brand new airplane.
It's not the same plane. You got a new plane, didn't you?
And really, it was. As far as the paint and interior was concerned, it looked better than new.
I mean, it's like a new airplane when you're riding in the back. It's not the same aircraft.
Oh, and it does smell so good.
She'll follow me now.
So this was kind of a great example of how a project should go. Working with Jerry and just allowing him to have some creative ideas at the end and then say, I trust you guys to make it look good.
That is nice.
Working with them was an absolute joy. It was easy, it was quick, and we didn't have any problem whatsoever. And the aircraft turned out, the only word I can think of is spectacular.
We love giving our customer a product that they're just really excited about. It really makes us feel good to make them feel good.
I mean, it not only changed the airplane, it changed us. Just because it is such a pleasure to get in that airplane. It smells good, it looks good, it's clean, it's just a joy to fly it. And so just the way it makes you feel getting out of a new airplane is worth all of the trouble. And there wasn't any trouble, so it makes it even better.
And we look forward to a really long-lasting relationship with them.
And in the old days, when we'd fly it somewhere, we were a little bit embarrassed to get out of it. We walked away from it as quickly as we could when we got out of it. And now we get out of it and we walk a little bit and we always turn around and look back at it. It is so beautiful sitting on the ramp. You cannot walk away from that airplane without turning around to look back at it. That's, to me, that tells everything about it.
That's great.
Well, that's the truth. That's the thing. You know, I'm not making up any of this. That's absolutely the way we feel about it.